In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase paperless statement feature. Now, in order to use this feature, you'll need to first of all enable it, which you can do by heading over to the application of Chase Online Banking and heading over to Profile and Settings. Once you're inside of the Profile and Settings option, you'll be able to see the option which says paperless. If it is straight away not visible on the Connect section, you can also try checking the settings and try to see if you can find this feature. Then once you've done that, you'll see all of the list of your accounts that you've linked with your Chase account. You need to review the disclosures and then select the paperless for all of the accounts that you want this feature to be enabled. Once this feature is enabled, you'll get instantly access to up to 7 years of past statements that will protect your sensitive data from mail theft. So as soon as you change this to paperless statement, you'll get the data for the past 7 years. So make sure you follow this exact process, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.